हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सैंडीज फिटनेस एकेडमी।
सैंडीज फिटनेस एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। तो हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं आज?
Today we are doing the fat cutting exercise part 3. Let's go!
So the very first exercise that we are going to do is seated ab crunches. One of the most effective exercise for your belly fat. Once you master the exercise with both your legs, try going for an advanced level wherein you will hold your one leg in air and do the exercise with the alternate leg. In the initial stage, sit on a flat bench, hold your grip firmly, and try to balance your body. Once you're done with that, try to pull your legs slowly backwards, and that's when you will be able to get the hang of the movement. With more practice, you should be able to get the movement right. The next exercise is plank. Try and hold your plank as long as you can. You can take 30 seconds to 45 seconds rest in between, but do not quit until and unless you go ahead and finish the number of minutes that you are supposed to complete. Never give up. Always remember why you started. The next exercise is decline crunches. The next workout is incline crunches. And lastly, we have the Fat Blaster, which is battle rope. Once you master these exercises, you can then try the advanced level workout, which are hanging leg crunches.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
For more exciting videos, please stay connected to Sandy's Fitness Academy.
Also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, stay healthy. Goodbye.